Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Electrician TV. You can subscribe now, like, and comment. So, actually, as safety demands, yeah, I have to have my nose mask or face mask on. I should supposed to have my goggle on, but I don't have it yet. So, because I'm going to speak to the camera, I have to take this off. So, just a while ago, I showed you how we do our chiseling. So we've already chiseled the conduit boxes, the spaces for the conduit boxes, and yeah. So this is how I'm going to show you how we go about it, fixing the conduit boxes and also fixing or laying out the PVC pipe. So as electrical works is actually a mind demanding profession. Yeah. If you are to be an electrician, you need to be open minded person, you need to be innovative, you need to be creative, because this is actually what masons do. Masons use cement and or let's say mortar to fix stuff. But as an electrician, I'm going to use this mortar to fix my boxes, my conduit boxes. So if you are not creative, if you are not open-minded to learn new stuffs, new things coming in day out, you be left out. So stay tuned as I take you through this one. Okay, so first, this 3 by 6 conduit box. So this for sockets and stuff like that. So I'll fix that one first. I need to have my measurements, everything needs to be in order. So I have to have my measurements. So I'm going to fix my 2 by 6 conduit box. So
I did this no. I want to be.
I'm going to fix my 3 by 6 conduit box. You need to be creative in this business, Electrical is not for jokers, it's not for kids, to put a whole lot of energy, wisdom from you, a high demanding knowledge, skill, or profession. Okay, so I'm done with it. I'll just okay. So you don't just fix the box and leave it like that. Electrical engineers will come around, other inspectors will come around. So after fixing the box, you have to check it. You have to use your level, spirit level, to know that it's actually leveled up. Yeah. So as you can see, yeah. So we're done with a 3 by 6 conduit box. Oh my God. Now I'm fixing a 3 by 3. The 3 by 3 they have two. So I'm going to fix that in a jiffy. space them out correctly. Should be in order. So I'm on it. Once the mortar is too soft, I have to leave it for a while.
Mom, yeah.
Dry up a bit.
What yours is? You know, you ain't gonna eat.
Dry up a bit. Before I will take out the measurements, I have to leave it for a while because it's soft, so that it will be a bit strong. Then I'll go ahead and level it up. Okay, so you can subscribe to my channel, Electrician TV. You can comment and share. Thank you.